We hope you enjoyed that scenic drive to Telluride. It's a little bit busy here today, but we're making our way over to the free gondola ride, which will take us over to Mountain Town, or Mountain Village, right?
Yep. So we're standing in line for the Telluride gondola, which is the only free public transportation of its kind, and it is free because of generous donations. The gondola is 13 minutes long. It goes 11 miles an hour, and for those of you with furry companions, they do have dog-friendly pods. You just have to look for the paw prints on the sides. Is it just me or does the Telluride tea look like the Tesla tea? Who copied who?
The gondola links Telluride to Mountain Village, but you can stop at a place called San Sophia,
which is 10,500 feet of elevation. You can get off, you can walk around, you can go to the bathroom, have a picnic, mountain bike, ride the little off-roading vehicles, all sorts of fun stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna have some lunch now.
So let's talk about why this place is called Telluride, which are three possible reasons why. Number one is that the local mining camp here at the time was called Columbia. But there's a town nearby, also called Columbia, where the post office was delivering this Columbia's mail to that Columbia. So they renamed it to Telluride. Number two is because allegedly they were mining tellurium here, which was actually never found.
And the third reason, which is the most colorful reason, is when miners were planning to come out here, they would say, "To hell you ride," due to how steep the cliffs were and the drop-offs and everything like that. "To hell you ride" became Telluride. So behind me is the Telluride Airport, which is the second highest airport in North America, sitting at 9,078 feet. Followed by Leadville, which is the highest airport at 9,934. We just got to our second stop, which is the Mountain Village.
The Mountain Village has restaurants, shopping, lodging, and in the wintertime, this is where ski school happens.
And it's just a quick, 3 or 4 minute ride from the San Sophia.
So a little bit about the gondola itself. They purchase their power from windmills. Also, the gondola itself opens at 6 a.m. and closes at midnight, and in certain seasons, they're open till 2 a.m. All right, you want to keep listening?
Yeah, let's show them around.
Decaf latte, cinnamon roll muffin. Lots of great options for food, as I mentioned earlier, so let's keep moseying.
We just got off of the gondola.
And if you watched our last video, then you know that Telluride is one of Colorado's 6 National Historic Districts.
And we're gonna tour you around it.
You have the chance to be here this time of year. Oh my gosh, so spectacular. It's October 8th, just so you know.
We made our way.
Wait. No. We hope you enjoyed.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So they called it Telluride.
Oh, that's
Oh, I thought we were gonna alternate.
Oh, okay. We just got to the second stop, which is Mountain Village.
Third stop. Second stop.
Well-
It's 3 stops.
Well, because you got,
Telluride.
But-
Sophia.
but Sophia's the first stop. So this is the second stop.
Sorry, Future Adam.